Good morning, parents. Small information for parents whose child are studying in 11th and 12th standard. Uh, this is an unprecedented time, and students are attending classes through online. I had interacted with few of them who came back and gave a feedback that there's a big gap between the classes that was conducted on a physical environment and that is being conducted online. Now, how do we bridge this gap? As parents and students, most of you are looking at getting good marks in board exam. And if you look at the board exam mostly test on concepts or a knowledge. And the gap that exists because of this situation and the way it is being taught on the online platform, I believe this gap can be filled by what I call applications of concept or applications of knowledge. In case we have to make the student more conceptually strong, they need to apply those concepts, and once they apply the concepts, they'll be able to do a much better job as far as conceptual clarity is concerned. Now, where is this application of concept, application of knowledge happens? Basically, this entrance exam, in case you are a science student, the JEE and the NEET program are entrance exams where application of concepts are tested. So whatever concept they've learned in the school, most application happens in these entrance exams. School also have application, but it is to a very limited extent. Now, once this people undertake this training program, they will not only will do well in the board exam, but also will have a great chance of doing well in the entrance exam as well. To give you a small analogy about how preparation for entrance exam can help them to in board exam, uh, I can give an example about car driving. So when you first want to learn car driving, the driver or the driving school would take you to an open ground, would teach you all the basics of driving like accelerator, clutch, how do you shift the gear, all this thing, and they will make you drive on the open ground. Once you become stabilized in that, then they will shift you to a, or they will take you into a crowded street and make you apply this whatever you learned on the uh, open ground. And here the real learning happens. Same thing with also, I believe similar analogy is there between school and entrance exam. School can be thought of uh, knowing the concept or learning the open ground, and entrance exam can be thought of driving in a crowded street. Once you are able to drive in a crowded street, I'm very sure you will be able to do very well in the open ground, or you can do it with your eyes closed as well. So if your people is able to do well in these entrance exams or prepare for this entrance exam, their board exams are bound to improve as well. Two reasons why people say they don't want to join. One is they say interest. If my child is interested, I will put or I will join. And the second is they say time. I think time is uh, universal for everybody. Everybody has got 24 hours time. It depends on how you want to use the time. As far as interest is concerned, I think all the activities that you do in a day, right from getting up the bed, brushing, taking bath, going to office, all these activities they do, all are we doing because it is required. I believe 98% of the activities that you do is all something which is required, not something which is interesting. And requirement is what is allowing us to sustain moving forward in our life. And again, if you look at students, I doubt, I think 90 to 95 students are not very much interested in studies. They are doing it because it is required. I think if a child has to grow up in life, has to grade, has to get good marks, then we should more look at the requirement rather than at the interest. And interest is quite uh, fleeting, because today what I'm interested, tomorrow I might become not interested in that. Uh, some parents will come back and say after the board exam gets over, then I will look at the mark and then decide. Once the mark comes in, I think the mark will decide everything. We will have no role on the student's future as such. Second, it is like, I believe schooling is like a journey. Once you finish your journey, you reach a destination. So after you finish your 12th standard, once you reach your destinations, you can't embark on a journey. This is the only time when you can change your journey and change your destination. And the number of seats that are available for engineering as well as medical is approximately 35,000, and I'm sure more than 15 lakh or 12 lakh people take up these exams, and only 2% are going to make it. But the remaining 98% or the remaining people who actually prepare for these exams are really going to benefit, because as I said, in our life, anybody who's able to sustain life, who's able to make it, make run the family, I believe he or she is success. So this training program will actually make them, even if they could not get in the premier colleges, where they have a great chance if they prepare, they can still do well in the board exams. They will learn problem solving skills. They will get uh, enough thinking abilities for them to do actually well in the life. So trying itself, I say, is success. If this has got four benefits, one is it helps in getting good mark in the board exam, will help you problem solving skills, will make your thinking ability become better. It will also give a you can give a shot on the entrance exam. The classes for this we are starting from on Saturdays and Sundays, actually on an offline platform, because now the situation, we are doing it online on Wednesday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday from 7 to 8:30. We've got experienced teachers. Each subject costs 19,000. You can take two subjects, will cost you 30,000. Three will cost you 40,000. My name is Radhakrishnan. Please come back. 9600008676. Thank you.